If you thought Bollywood was already tight, if you thought global music was separate, think again. Universal Music is doubling down with cash and clout. Here's why that matters. Universal Music Group is investing $80 million in 𝐓𝐘𝐒 Entertainment, world's biggest music company betting big on Bollywood. Not just songs, soundtracks, film score releases and charting singles publishing, song rights and writer royalties. The whole content ecosystem, shows, IP, platforms. Why now? Bollywood's streaming boom is accelerating rapidly. Superstar soundtracks are becoming global hits. UMG wants a bigger piece of that growth. For 𝐓𝐘𝐒, it's fuel for bigger films, better music production quality and budgets, deeper global distribution into new markets. For UMG, it's access to India's massive audience, local artists, and emerging talent discovery. A pipeline of music for playlists, film soundtrack placements worldwide, licensing deals for ads, shows, and games. The ripple effects. Expect more crossover collaborations. Faster international releases of Indian music rights deals could push Indian artists onto global charts. It's also a reminder that music companies are now media companies, investing in content, shows, series and formats, IP ownership and long-term publishing rights, stories that drive streaming revenue and audience engagement. Bottom line, this isn't just a cash infusion, it's a strategic bridge between Hollywood music power and Bollywood culture.
Hey, we all want to scale our business. Hey, I have the answer for you today to help you do that. If you're looking to scale from 5, 6, even 7 figures and beyond, book called Be Good, Be Brief, Be Gone. I'm going to give it to you for free. All you have to do is type in growfast.cash. I say again, growfast.cash, and you can download the book for absolutely free. I hope the book helps you this year. Take your business to the next level. Again, go grab the book, growfast.cash. I say again, growfast.cash. I wish you the best and grow, scale, and win.
There it is. Magnum. Holy moly.
Yeah, baby! That's what I've been waiting for!
Dear God.